look at it, most of the decision to buy an apartment would fall into one of these categories. Okay, the first one is primarily the basic need to own a property. Second is place near my workplace. Basically, that's how your satellite townships develop. So it could be because of that we would have bought here. Basically, you could be working in one of those industries in Oragadam, so you'd be buying here. Then the last three are basically to park your money there and get a good appreciation in terms of affordable investment, capital appreciation. Capital appreciation, I mean the overall price, the unit value of your apartment goes up. You buy at 20 lakhs, it appreciates to 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs. Then you have a rental revenue model where you give it off and over a period of every month on month revenue returns are there. Very, very conservative thing of say 10% of the people, அதாவது 10% அங்க டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க அங்க இருக்க போறேன், I'm going to live in that place. And that means 30,000 houses. If you add up all the projects, Brindavan and rest of the competition there, okay, even the smallest builder if you take, you have all various type of individual builders giving 4 apartments. If you aggregate all that, it comes to close to about 7,000 only. So what does this mean? As an investor, what does it mean? It goes back to one of the other points. There will be a demand for either for you to resell your apartment as a capital appreciated unit, or you will have a huge rental revenue happening. And also on an investor or an individual's point of view, we would have bought at say 1,999. Now it is moved on to 2,399, which is about 20% appreciation in 7-8 months time. We took up the price to, and this price is purely driven by market, and still we are one of the lowest priced projects there. So you can clearly understand it is not an artificially moved price, it is a market driven price. So it's pure appreciation based on fundamentals. Talk going on in the media about approvals. So we wanted to clarify a set of things. We are in the process of getting this approval done. Okay, approval is one of the mandate for the project. We will be one of the few large projects to get it probably by Jan, if not earlier.